Also, if you can hear my cat, she's eating some biscuits right now on my desk. I am going to go on some Nerdcube voxel creations. I just realised the game audio is a bit too loud. I need to calm down because I'm a bit exhausted. Oh, and yeah. Heads up. Just as an FYI message that. Anyway, I haven't played Teardown in a very long while. No, I haven't. On stream, that is. This is my small voxel creations. Please, can you? Thank you. If I put some random voxel creations of mine into a Teardown map. So this is, of course, Nerdcubed voxel creations. These are taken from my recent, semi-recent fan art. Here's Dan, here's Rebecca, and here's Steve, and here's Matt. If you don't know them, search Nerdcubed and you can basically see them. But I think most of my viewers or people who know me know who Nerdcubed is. I've got a bottle gun. These are mods, by the way. The game is very loud for me. Let me just turn it down. Turn it down. There we go. This is a portal gun. We can just basically... Can I portal on Steve's head? Apparently I can't. Can I portal on Dan's head? No. I can portal on Rebecca's head. Or Rebecca's neck. For some reason it won't put the portal down there. Huh. Must be something to do with the material, I guess. Oh my god. I'm sorry for that. I have my window open and someone with music is playing. Oh, that's weird. Pixel it. There, sorry for that. This is a plane somewhere. I think if we go like this, it is very, very loud. I'm gonna turn the sound volume to about there. I can't move this properly. There we go. I can fire our weapons here. We have got 40 millimeter to fire down there. Oh, hello, Bruto Min Sorry, I butchered that. I can fire onto this head here and destroy it. Napalm. I think I can only napalm Rebecca's head, or Steve's head, or Matt's head. I can't remember what material I've got. And also I can fire from here. Fire. Change to 25 milli. This did have some updates to it, so the destruction seems to be What the fuck is happening? Fire. Oh, I need to close off my bottles. There we go. I have got Monia. I don't know. It's from 4. Space, and we can jump up. I'm gonna go on Matt's head. Yeah, I'm on Matt's head. Ow. I just electrocuted myself. And it's on fire. Put out Matt. Where's my extinguisher? Oh. I can't get up. Where's my stuff? There we go. On it. Extinguish Matt. Extinguish. Put out the fire with Matt's head. Photophobia said. Bug. I can't see. Well, Matt's not barely got any hair left. Oh, and I don't know how. Oh, wait a minute. I don't know if this. Oh, I don't have it anymore. I need my thing. This is a gun that I really like, but also there. Sorry if I'm talking into the mic a bit loud. The computer wrecker. I like this one. I can't get out. What the hell just happened there? I need to like go on this and then. Oh, where is it? Where's my computer wrecker? I did subscribe to it. I must have to like quit out the game. 1 second. For some reason it's not thing. There we go. Let me close off you. And go into game again. I'm using my phone for Streamlabs setup thing. Computer record, there we go. Let me play. This is a fun one, but I don't know how well it will show on stream. So all I can do is somewhere not have it. Why don't I have my computer record? Just play a basic one. Where's my computer? Oh, there it is. By the way, that was my my voxel asset creation map thing, where I'm doing loads of small pixel assets and stuff. Pixel style assets for Teardown. I haven't really completed it yet, but I will do it at some point. Voxel creations. Apparently, did you repeat alert? Test widgets. Follow. That's supposed to come up when whenever someone follows me, but apparently I didn't hear it. But thanks for the follow anyway. I want my computer record. I have to look over my mic first. God damn it. I can wreck all these 3 logos in one. 1 second. This is my lag on stream. I generally don't know how this will look, but in 3, 2, 1. Yep, that's what it does. It just wipes everything in like 2 seconds. more. I could wreck these, but it might lag. Bye, Steve. Hello, Matilda. I destroyed Matilda. I'm being very specific with this, saying Matilda and stuff. It's related to Nerdcubed, if you don't already know. They have pets, such as guinea pigs, dogs, and birdies. I want to wreck this one. And they're gone. Instantly. Let's see if I can wreck this in one go. Right, it turns out I did. Except from the last one. Ow! I exploded myself. I don't want a portal gun. There is it. Computer wrecker. There we go. I'm gonna shoot Matt's face. Matt doesn't have a face anymore. No. He's on the floor. This is a lot of voxels here. There. Where did that come from? Shoot Matt's face again. Ow. Matt's face is completely gone. What about Rebecca? Oh no, Rebecca's completely gone. Let me just check something. I'm gonna go on a natural thing here. Probably sandbox. Sorry for the background noise. That was it. I did advertise this challenge, didn't I? Pick up as many targets as possible. And I did mayhem, I think. Why can't I do hunted? Oh. Escape vehicle before the time runs out. Let's just go in the sandbox. Yep. Matt's dead. I don't know where I am. Hold on. Where the hell am I? Evertide small. Let's see. Where's my computer wrecker? Hold on a second. There we go. Let's see how this may lag the stream, but in 3, 2, 1. Oh god. I fucked up there. Let's see what carnage that caused. Oh god, it's very laggy. Drive vehicle. Let's cause more carnage by going on the airstrike. Oh no, I know. I remember there's something on this level with no clip. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. I'm on no clip. Oh shit. Welp. Ouch. I remember something on this level if it's on this. Oh. There was 2 tanks here. Oh well. I'm gonna go back on my Nerdcube voxel creations because I had fun with that. And I'm gonna download some more mods. Anyway, let's see. I have to go in main menu. Oh, portal turret. Portal turret. What's this? Hello? Hello. Ah.
Target lost.
I love it. I love it.
Sleep mode activated.
What happens if I do that?
No hard feelings.
Can I make you alive again? Well, that didn't. I love it. I love the way this... I could do that with my own map. But it would take a while.
Critical error.
Ouch. Oh, the turret's gone. Sorry for that. If you're wondering, that's my cat on my desk, who's annoying me at you. Let's just kill Matt. That's always fun. He doesn't have a mouth anymore. And I'm trying to make him not have a head. Timber! Now he doesn't have a head anymore. Let's just wreck it. Not with that one. Now Matt doesn't have a head. Oh, I want to do something actually. Hold on. Gun. If I can do this. Spin. 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 And spin. Oh, that's heads not spinning. Spin. Spinning heads. There we go. Spin, Steve. Spin. Spin. Thank you. Spin, Matt. Head. Spin. Thank you. It's because his body's in the way. I just took out his eye. Yeah, spinning heads. Oh. Now spinning heads. Fuck's sake. Rebecca, stop with your body. Thank you. Spin your head. Or swinging heads, that is. I'm gonna launch Rebecca's head into the sky. And kill it. Where's my Rebecca? Rebecca, I'm on you. Well, anyway, let's kill Rebecca. I don't know why it's purple inside. Oh. Kill Rebecca. Timber. Rebecca's full of purple. No, I don't know why. I don't know what I'm doing. Right, instead of actually playing around on this, I'm gonna go on a campaign or a challenge. Let's go. Let's go on Marina on Mayhem. So what we have to do on this is cause as much carnage as we can in 60 seconds. I don't know why the map's doing that. We have to, yes, destroy as much as possible. Destroy as much as possible in 60 seconds. And the timer starts when 100 voxels have been destroyed. So, I want... what's this? Detonate. Oh. Hopefully that didn't detonate. Let me just blow torch. And yeah. Where did that go? Went somewhere around here. I have got a no clip mod on. To faster. Let's detonate. Is there a ship in this one? There is. But I don't know how I can drag this over. It's gonna take a while. Once I can do this. Not that! I didn't want to do that. What's in this? Even more detonate things, and I just clicked onto the top. Bump. Oh, bums. I wanna not do that. Let me just go onto here, and I'm sorry for the background noise if you can not hear it. Anyway, I want some bombs with, whoa, Jesus, no, background noise. I'm back. Let's detonate here. Let me just use my computer wrecker actually. Airstrike. Hold on. Anyway, this will be easy with this. So, exchange this. Hopefully we can do it. Nearly there. I'll do some bombs here. See if we can get those. Very loud, I know. Well, I haven't got much there. This is fun. $3,007 something in 195 voxels. Oh well. I'll tell you what, just go on give box locations again. I went on my other one. I want this. Thank you. Anyway, think, because I did 2 streams in one, I think I am gonna leave it there and let these heads spin. 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 And just click the body. I'll do that, I guess. Spin. Thank you. Spin. 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 I'll just do that. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna leave it there, actually, because I've done 2 streams in one. So, thanks for coming if you have. Steve's head's going wild there. Thanks for coming if you've come to watch. I've enjoyed doing this. and I don't know when I'll do a next stream, but I'll do it at a random time. Anyway, I'm rambling like I always do. So thanks for coming, and let me just kill Matt one last time. So yeah, thanks for coming, and goodbye. Well, Matt's head's dead. Let me kill Rebecca.